Hi everyone, this is Mike Schwartz from Glue. I'm demoing today oxPush, which is a new open source two-factor authentication mechanism that we published. And in this demo, I'm going to show how you configure Ox to use this new type of authentication. So Ox has a management policy administration point called Ox Trust, and that's what I'm showing you here. It's basically a GUI for our platform. And in the configuration section, you can set a default authentication mode. It's sort of like the sledgehammer of authentication modes. It says for use this one first. And I've specified oxPush. So in Ox, you can have many types of authentication active at the same time, each with their own business flow or script. In this case, let me show you the oxPush business logic. And here, I'll make it bigger. So oxPush is pretty simple to configure. This is the script. You can grab this script from our Subversion repository. It's under oxauth server integrations. You can see we have all of the open source two-factor authentications that we've done. Here's oxPush, and this is the script. So you just select that and copy it, and you'd paste it in here. And Ox needs to know a couple of specific things. It needs to know where's your server. It needs to know the timeout. You can give your application a name. This gets popped up in the server. This should probably say IDP. Then you can also provide the download link for iPhone or Android application. In this case, we're just showing the Android. Note the oxPush application's Cordova, which means that you could create a distribution package for iPhone or Android or Microsoft or BlackBerry. So that's pretty much it on the server side for configuration. Let me show you what the user experience is. So I'm going to log out. Now, the oxTrust application itself is using OpenID Connect, so it's a good place to just give a quick authentication demo. So I'm going to log in. I won't show downloading the application. Actually, the quickest way to download the app is to try and log in from your phone, and then just click on this link and install it. I'm going to show what happens the first time a user goes to a website. Now, let's just say previously I was only using username, password, and now I'm going to the website and my company's upgraded to two-factor authentication. So I go and I hit, and it says, uh-oh, we don't know what device you have. So I go to my oxPush application on my phone, and I can scan and say, okay, I have a new site, and I'll scan it. Scan, oops. Hit that little scan button, and there it goes, beep, and submit it. And now it knows what phone I have, and I'll allow it. That's the OpenID Connect scope authorization, which we leave on for demo purposes. Okay, so that was my first login. So on the first login with oxPush, the user has installed the app on their phone, and because the phone is not associated with that person, on the first login they have to scan that QR code, and then we can grab all the necessary information about the phone, like what kind of phone is it, and the device ID and stuff like that, so we can push to that phone later. On my second login request, now that the IDP knows about me, okay, this is still step one in our case is still username, password, and step two, and now I get a prompt on my phone. My phone beeps. I get a little notification. There's the Cordova guy. It says, okay, you have an authentication request, and authentication request basically gives you the host name and the sorry if you have trouble reading this, the host name and the IP address of the server that I'm authenticating against. I'll say yes, that's me. I approve it, and it takes me through to the next step, which is in our case the OpenID Connect scope authorization. So that's a quick demo of how it works. The nice thing about oxPush is that it's open source. It's a Cordova app, so you can the whole mobile app is just one HTML5 page, so you can customize the look and feel and add your own icon and your own graphics and your own banner or disclaimer or whatever you want to add to the app, so you can brand the authentication for your organization. But that's a quick demo how it worked. Hope you like it.